Good evening. I am Sananja and welcome to Radio Bharti. Let's begin with the top news updates of the day. The headlines. Home Minister Amit Shah terms inauguration of new Prime Minister's office. Seva Teerth as historic. Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan says all recent free trade agreements have fully protected India's national interest. PM Modi speaks to BNP chairman Tariq Rahman and congratulates him on remarkable victory in Bangladesh elections. Multiple arrests as Sri Lanka deals with corruption. Rupee appreciated by 11 paise to close at 90.59 against US dollar. Asian markets closed on mixed note. European indices trading up. T20 Cricket World Cup. Zimbabwe sets target of 140 runs for Australia. T20 World Cup. India registers biggest ever victory by runs, crushing Namibia by 93 runs. Now news in brief. Home Minister Amit Shah has termed the inauguration of the new Prime Minister's office, Seva Teerth, as historic. In a social media post, Mr. Shah said, Seva Teerth is a symbol of the resolve of the government that has been running with the spirit of service under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership. He added that this will prove to be a milestone in the building of a developed and self-reliant India. Union Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan today said that all recent free trade agreements, whether with the European Union or the United States, have fully protected India's national interest, with farmers' welfare placed at the highest priority. He said this will addressing the 64th convocation of ICAR, Indian Agriculture Research Institution in New Delhi. He highlighted that today India has suppressed China to become the world's number one producer of rice, with Indian wheat varieties shining across the globe. Mr. Chauhan underlined that under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, a powerful, proud, prosperous, self-reliant and developed India is being built. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today spoke to Bangladesh Nationalist Party chairman Tariq Rahman and congratulated him on the remarkable victory in the Bangladesh elections. In a social media post, Mr. Modi said he conveyed his best wishes and support in Mr. Rahman's endeavor to fulfill the aspiration of the people of Bangladesh. Prime Minister Modi said that as two close neighbors with deep-rooted historical and cultural ties, he reaffirmed India's continued commitment to the peace, progress and prosperity of the people of both the nations. Sri Lanka's anti-graft authorities have identified enforcement action with multiple arrests of senior public officials and private individuals over alleged corruption and financial misconduct. In the forex market today, the rupee appreciated by 11 paise to close at 90 rupees and 59 paise against the US dollar. The dollar index, which indicates the US dollar strength against a basket of six other leading currencies, was trading at 96.79 in intraday trade. Major Asian indices closed on a mixed note today. South Korea's Kospi index surged over 3.1%, Singapore's Straits Times index advanced over 0.6%, and China's Shanghai Composite Index eked out a marginal gain. In contrast, Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index shed about 0.9%, and Japan's Nikkei Index dipped marginally. In the ICC Men's T20 Cricket World Cup, Zimbabwe have set a target of 169 runs for Australia in an ongoing match currently being played at R. Parambe Stadium in Colombo. In Men's T20 Cricket World Cup, India defeated Namibia by 93 runs in a Group A clash in New Delhi last night, registering the biggest ever victory by runs in T20 World Cup. Chasing a target of 210 runs set by India, Namibia were bundled out of 116 in 18.2 overs. That's all for the day. For more such updates, stay tuned to Radio Bharti. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.